Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post a carousel, multiple pictures in one single post on Instagram. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app and I will show you. The first thing that you want to do, you want to create a brand new post. So now you want to click on the lower center of the screen and hit the plus sign. Okay, the pro tip over here is that if you want to select a multiple images or multiple views at the same time, is that you need to click on the double square above our gallery. It's over here. You see how it turned blue? Now we are able actually to select a multiple images. When you're done selecting images, all you gotta do is to press next. Now, with the recent updates, you will be able essentially to add more pictures or videos by simply swiping on the way left. You see there is additional plus sign hidden over here. So you can essentially click plus and add more pictures on your own. Now we can add some of the contrast over here, as you can see, with the new updates. Now we can essentially add a little music as well. If you look, each picture can be added individually. We can increase the saturation or reduce the saturation. Let's add some music, clicking on the top right corner. Well, there is a variety of popular songs right now on your For You page. If you don't like any of these guys, you can simply browse through the genres over here: hip hop, R&B, soul, pop. Or you can simply go all the way up to the search bar and look for an artist or a song. After you pick the right song, all you gotta do is to click next and proceed to the final step of the post. As you can see, we do have our images over here, and also you can change the song from this face. If you wanna change the song, you don't have to go back. You can simply change the song from here. And this is how you create a post with multiple images on Instagram, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.